Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Madam Glam Serena F.U.N Lacquer's Platinum Diamond Super Reflective Magnetic Gel and Baniyology MXM 043 Pewter and Beauty Big Bang 001. I have already applied my gel base coat and cured it, and now I'm going in with Madam Glam Serena, and this is a gel manicure until we get to the end, and then I'll be stamping with regular stamping stuff. But the base of this is going to be gel. I know, I don't do it often. And you guys know I'm not going to turn into a gel polish every time kind of person, because I like to change them too often. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds under my lamp. And this is Platinum Diamond Super Reflective Magnetic Gel Polish by F.U.N Lacquer. I'm going to go in and put a coat on this. There we go. We're going to get that on there. It's so pretty. Even just like that, it's really, really pretty. The camera's not going to do any of this justice. So I'm going to be using my magnet here. Just kind of take it close to the side. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply top coat. I have done all of the nails the same. It's very, very repetitive for this part. I do cap my free edge. I always make sure to clean up really, really well before I do my curing. And I'm using a UV LED lamp. And that is Woody. He came to help clean up my mess. And I cured it for another 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to wipe everything down with alcohol. Just because that's, you know, to me, and I think this one was a wipe top coat. I can't remember from the iGel or iBeauty, whatever it is. But I just like to do it. There's a swatch of it on its own. And then we're going to hop into the stamping. I've got my pewter out, as well as my Beauty Big Bang 001. My Baniyology Cube Stamper and their little scraper. Now I'm only going to do an accent nail today using this stamping plate, the 043, MXM 043. And I want y'all to know that I ended up stamping these upside down. And clean that off on a lint roller. I ended up doing it upside down, and I don't know how I did it. I really didn't even notice it until I went to edit the video. And I was like, you goofy girl. But I guess it's all okay. You know, we make mistakes. And I bet you nobody would have noticed if I hadn't said something. I don't know. Some of you guys have sharp eyes. So I'm going to clean my plate off with pure acetone. And then I wipe it with a paper towel when I'm done with the acetone. We're going to pop in with a piece of tape and get that off of my skin. I did do the same image on my thumbnail. And yes, it's upside down as well. Craziness, I swear. And then we're going to do a little bit of cleanup here with my acetone. My little cleanup brush. Alrighty, we're going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Baniyology. Once that is totally dry, then I'll be going in with my final top coat, which today is Poshe. I'm going to seal this one in and enjoy it. So there you have it. Another manicure. Except this time it was a little different because it was gel polish. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.